Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sivajyoti Swarup and I am from third year B section. My topic is bisection method using Java, and the elements present in this are definition, steps to follow real life problem, and the Java code and the algorithm. And the basic definition of the bisection method is in optimization technique, the bisection method is used to find the minimum or maximum of the continuous function of the given interval, and the basic idea is to repeatedly bisect the interval, determine which half of the interval contains a minimum or maximum. Like, for example, an interval between a and b is taken, and f of a and f of b is calculated, and calculate the midpoint also in the given interval. C is equal to a plus b by 2. Evaluate the function at c and means calculate the function value at c value. If the interval has a minimum or maximum, then f of c is called, then c point is called the optimal point. If f of c is less than f of a and f of b, then minimum or maximum is present in the interval c to b. And if f of c is greater than both f of a and f of b, then the minimum or maximum is present in the interval a to c. Repeatedly, we have to repeat steps 2 to 4 for getting the desired level of accuracy. That means to find the desired accurate minimum or maximum in the given interval. So basically, the bisection method is used for the functions which are not differentiable or difficult to differentiate, or basically these type of functions are optimized using Newton's method or gradient descent method. So one real life problem is that bisection method is finding the roots of a nonlinear equation. Basically, the bisection method can solve the roots of the nonlinear equation. For example, consider the problem of determining the interest rate of a loan that will result in specific monthly interest. For example, a borrow of 10,000 has been taken on the annual interest of R% over 5 years, and the monthly payment is of $200. This can be calculated using the bisection method. The real life electronics application of bisection method is signal processing. Basically, the bisection method in signal processing is used for applications such as signal detection, estimation, filtering. For example, these are used for find the thresholds in the signal detection or to design filters that means certain specifications such as desired frequency response. If the equation is nonlinear, then it's solved by using the bisection method, which corresponds to the value of r that makes the equation true. We can compute the midpoint of the interval. That means basically the bisection method finds the midpoint of the interval and computes the midpoint value and compares with the f of a and f of b, that are the ends of the interval, and which side of the interval contains the minimum or maximum tells the bisection method. Here is an example of a non-linear equation can be solved, like example is x cube minus 2x minus 5. It can be solved using the bisection method by evaluating the midpoint and calculating the function value both a and b. And this is the code to execute the bisection method using Java. Like here, the public static void, the basic header file is taken, and the written non-linear function is taken as x cube minus 2x minus 5, and the c is calculated a plus b by 2. Here, the function double represents double means that it can take the value decimals also. Like int function takes the value of only integers, but double can also take the values of decimals also. Like using Java code, like said in the definition, f of c value is compared with f of a and f of b, and which side of the interval contains maximum is evaluated using bisection method. Here values are taken like 1 and 2, and bisection method is solved using this code. Thank you.